virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Let us learn maths of standard 3rd and name of the chapter is division. Dear children, this is part 3. Yes, we have already learned part 1 and part 2 of this lesson, isn't it? And today we are going to learn the method of division. How to divide the given numbers we will go through by using the method. And today we will learn some more words regarding the division. Okay? Shall we proceed? Yes, division means distributing things equally. Here, making equal shares is known as division. You know that division has 3 to 4 statements, isn't it? Third one is making equal lots from a collection of objects is known as division. This all we have gone through with the help of the examples in division part 2, isn't it? Taking away the same number of things again and again from a certain number of things. That is also known as division. Dear children, we know that division has a specific symbol. That is nothing but a horizontal line and a dot above the line and a dot below the line. Right? This we use to show the division. Now here, see this 27 and the division symbol, then 3 equal to symbol and 9. How to read this? Yes, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. One more. Yes, how to read this? 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Got this? Okay. Here, equal sharing can also be made by carrying out a division as follows. Dear children, we are going to learn the division method. Okay? See this, the sum is distribute 24 chocolates equally among 4 children. We know that division means distributing things equally. Right? Here how many chocolates are there? 24. And we have to divide equally among 4 children. So here we have to write 24 inside this division symbol and 4 outside. This is total and this is number of children. Among them we are going to divide these 24 chocolates. Right? Now dear children, here we have to divide these chocolates among 4 children. So we have to recite 4 times table first. I will write here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Dear children, remember we have to recite 4 times table up to we get 24 or nearby number. Okay, we will go through 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Here we got 4 sixes are 24. Okay, this we will use. Now how many times? 6 times. So we will write 6 up above 4 in unit place. Remember not to write this side. We have to write the first number in unit place. Okay, above this 4. You know that 4 is in unit place and 2 is in tens place. So we have written 6 above the unit place. Okay. Now what is that? 24. We will write 24 here. Now minus how much? 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, here this 4. Why we have written 4 here? Because 4 children are there. Right? And total number of chocolates are 24. So we have written 24 inside this. Okay. And what is the number of chocolate the children got or the child got? Each child got 6 chocolates. Right? Each child got 6 chocolates. Now, what is remained? Chocolates left 0, 0. Okay? Here, these all have specific names. This, the number by which we divide, that is called divisor. Remember this. And the total, that is the number to be divided, is called dividend. The answer, whatever we get, that is called quotient. And whatever remained at the last, that is called remainder. Okay, divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. One more sum. Distribute 29 books equally among 9 children. Now 29 books. So 29 we are going to divide among 9 students. See this. You know now 29 means total books, 9 number of students. Okay. Now we are going to divide 29 by 9. So we are going to recite 9 times table. Up to what? Up to we get 29 or nearby number. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. This is a nearby number. Then we will go 9 fours are 36. Yes, 27, after that 36. So 36 we can't take away from 29, isn't it? So we will go for 9 threes are 27. Okay, now I will take 3 here and here 27. Again see the place of the 3. It should be in the unit place. Okay. Now here minus 9 minus 7, that is 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Yes. Here 2 remained. Got this? Here we divided 29 books among 9 students or children. Correct? How many books were there? 29 total books. So each child got 3 books. Isn't it? The answer is 3. And what remained? See this. 2 books left behind. These are extra books. Got that? Now this, the number by which we divided, is called divisor. The number which we divided is called dividend. And the answer is called quotient. And the number of books remained, that is called remainder. Okay, got this? One more. Distribute 52 laddus equally among 10 people. See what is there? 52 laddus are there and we have to divide them equally among 10 people. Okay, now 52 here. And what we are going to write outside? 10. Very good. We have to distribute these 52 laddus among 10 people. Yes, very good. Now we are going to recite table for 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60. Come on, tell me which we have to select here. 10 5s are 50 or 10 6s are. Yes, very good. We have to select 10 5s are 50. Because it is smaller, we can take away 50 laddus out of 52 laddus. And we can't take away these 60 laddus out of 52, isn't it? So we go for 10 5s are 50. Now minus, take away 50 from 52, we will get 2. Right? Now here 10, that is people. Here 52, total laddus, 5. Each one got 5 laddus, correct? And how many laddus left? 2. Isn't it? Okay, what this is called? Come on, tell me. Divisor. Nice. This is dividend. Very good. This one is quotient. And the last one, whatever remained, that is called remainder. Isn't it? Very nice. Next, divide 63 by 7 or 63 divided by 7. Okay, here directly it is given. Okay, now we will write 63 divided by 7. You know that 63 is a dividend, 7 is a divisor. Okay, so 7 times table we need. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. We got 63. Nice. So 7 nines are 63. Okay. Now dear children, remember this. We must know the tables for division. Division needs tables. Remember this. If you know the tables, you can do easily the division of any number, any given number. Okay. So please learn tables. Okay. Now here we will minus 63. Minus 63, that is nothing but 0. Now we will label here. This is called divisor, isn't it? This is called dividend. What is this? This is nothing but quotient. And what is this 0? That is remainder, isn't it? Very good. Here we go. One more. 35 divided by 7. We will write 35 inside and 7 outside, isn't it? Okay, now we will move for 7 times table. Then you know that 7 fives are 35. Here I will not write the table. Okay, 7 fives are 35. So 35 minus 35 is equal to 0, isn't it? Now one more sum we will take, 88 divided by 10. Now you know that this is divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. So I will not write here. Okay. I hope you are thorough with this all. Okay. Now here 88 divided by 10. Now 88 is dividend. So we are going to write inside the symbol and 10 outside. Now recite 10 times table. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80. Correct. Because 10 nines are 90. 90 is more than 88. So we are going to take 10 eights are 80. So here 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. And 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, dear children, tell me now here which is divisor, which is dividend, which is quotient, and what is remainder. Yes, correct. 10 divisor, 88 dividend, 8 is quotient and this 8 is remainder. Very good. Next sums. We are going through so many sums to make clear about this division. Okay. 55 divided by 11. 11 5s are 55, isn't it? 11 5s are 55. Am I right? Okay, now 55 minus 55, how much? 0. Right? Okay, here again 11 is a divisor. 55 dividend. 5 quotient and 0 remainder. Okay. Next one, 94 divided by 10. So 94 is dividend. So it will remain inside the symbol, and 10, that is divisor, it moves outside. Now we are going to use 10 times table. Here 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100. Yes, correct. We are going to use 10 9s are 90. Correct? Okay. 10 9s are 90. So we will minus 90 from 94. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Yes, dear children. Here what is 9? Quotient. Nice. What is 94? Dividend. What is this? 4? Remainder. Very good. And what is this? 10? This is divisor. Correct? Okay. Now here 89 divided by 9. Come on. You try first. You pause the video and check the answer with my answer. Okay. Here 89 is nothing but dividend. So we will write 89 here divided by 9. Right? Now 9 table we have to write. We have to recite. Come on. Tell me. 9 9s are 81. Very good. 9 9s are 81. Right? So here in the unit place 9 minus 1 is, yes, 8. Very good. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Now our sum is finished. Because here we got 8 and it is smaller than this divisor. Isn't it? Okay. And what is that 89? 89 is dividend. 9 is quotient. Next sum, 98 divided by 11. You know how to write and where to write the numbers, isn't it? Okay. Now 11 times table we have to recite. 11 9s are 99. Can we take this? 11 9s are 99? No. Because we can't give away 99 rupees out of 98 rupees. Right? We can't take away any material or any articles, that is 99 articles out of 98. So we have to take a smaller one. So we will go for 11 8s are 88. Isn't it? The next number is 99. So we will use this. 11 8s are 88. Now we will subtract 8 minus 8 is equal to how much? 0. And here 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Very good. So 10 is remainder, 8 is a quotient, 98 is a dividend, and 11 is nothing but divisor. Right? Yes, dear children, this is a page from your textbook, that is page number 73. Okay, now here you can see 8 sums. Please try to solve these 8 sums. To are solved, you have to solve only 6 sums. Okay, if you know the tables for 7, 8, 6, 5, then you can easily go through these sums. I am sure that you will do these sums properly. Okay? Take on your own some numbers and try to divide them by other numbers, other single digit numbers. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.